Out of it.
Hello Tweetybus! Today I will show you how to install the Zombie U. Zombie U is about first person survival horror video game developed by Ubisoft, multiplayer for Wii U, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and Microsoft Windows. And you need to extract all this. Extract here, and you must click the IgG Zombie ISO. Click and then click save. And you got this codex. Click install and click file codex. And you must copy all this file. Copy and then open the file location and paste here. What the problem I have this. You the motherfucker terrified. Kamu delete